Okay, so today I am finally trying this big POPPA gel. I've been wanting to try it for a long time, especially because I've used 3 of their other products that I really liked. I've just recently started seeing it in the stores around me. Like, why? There are a lot of products that I cannot get yet because I'm in Canada. So yeah, I was really excited to see it. I've heard a lot of good things. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed. The shampoo and conditioner that I used, which I absolutely love, I think this is my 3rd time using it, are these. The Shea Moisture Bond Repair Shampoo. Now again, so I'm pretty sure it's a 4-step treatment system thing, and I'm only able to get the shampoo and conditioner, but anyways, I'm excited to try the rest because I love it so far. I also used this mask. So far I really like it. It smells good too. I love that they have these little packs at my hair store because then I don't need to buy the full size and I can try a bunch of different ones. So then for the leave-in conditioner, I'm using this, the Uncle Funky's Daughter Midnight Train. I really like it. For leave-in conditioner, I wanted to try a liquid type one because I don't know, I'm noticing my hair is flaking a lot. I don't know if it's just the products that I'm using, they're not matching well with each other, but I've gone through so many that I don't even know what works anymore. So I've been really liking this. I feel like I've been noticing less flaking and my wash and go. And it smells really good. So I'm gonna do sections in my head. Did I not bring a comb? It smells so good. The only problem is I know that all of the bees are going to be attacking me with this in my hair. Green leave-in conditioners and just heavy duty ones, they just sit on top of my hair. And then I get a bunch of flaking before I even add the gel. So I think, look at this heat damage. Okay, anyways, I think a liquid leave-in conditioner is good for me. Okay, so let's open it. It looks like this. It doesn't smell bad. All of the gels that I usually use, they're very fruity. Okay, let's see how, the consistency. Let's see. Okay. Okay. It's looking pretty jelly. Ooh. This is already looking like I'm gonna like this gel. One of my favorite gels, it's the As I Am Curling Jelly. It's just a little too expensive for me, especially with how much I go through. So I'm looking for something, more affordable. And my curls are already looking and forming how they do with the As I Am jelly, and I'm very excited. I'm kind of liking the smell. Sometimes I feel like with all of the shampoo, the leave-in conditioner, and any other smells like that you put in your hair, it can sometimes become a little bit much. So I like the smell of this gel. It's a nice fresh scent and it's nothing too crazy. So I don't wear perfume, but especially if you wear if you have a fruity coconut scent gel in your hair with another scent of leave-in conditioner and then you slap on perfume, I feel like that would be too much. Like for me, that would hurt my nose. Even look at this leave-in conditioner. Like you spray it in your hair and it actually coats my strands. I'm telling you, the other leave-in conditioners I've used, it's just sitting on top of it. So I am loving this one. And then this is the gel. I want to see how it does with flaking. That is a huge problem I have. I don't understand why. It's not the washing that's the problem. I shampoo my hair twice and it's still flaking. So I don't get it. But another thing I'm trying to figure out with my hair is, okay, I'm okay. Add less product because I always felt like my hair needed a bunch of gel just to hold it in place. I'm realizing no, it doesn't. I really like this. My curls look so nice and juicy. There's another product I saw from the same brand that I really want to try. I'm pretty sure it's that 808 face gel. And I really want to try that. But again, it is nowhere to be found in Canada. I love it. I have tried so many gels that I don't even need to wait until it dries to be able to tell a good gel. I already know this is going to be good. And something I like is that my hair is not shrinking as much as it normally does. So that means when it dries, it'll stay a little bit longer. So this is the part of my hair that's very damaged. So let's just scrunch that real good. If you saw it before, you would be like, what the hell did you do to your hair? I was so sad. I look at pictures last summer and my hair was in its longest state. It was in its healthiest state. I'm noticing with this gel, you do not need a lot at all. I might have even put too much in my hair. I kind of like when my gel gets crunchy. I feel like it lasts longer when it's crunchy, so, you know. And this leave-in conditioner, please try it. Okay, so I am done putting the product to my hair. Okay. This is great. Like, let's take a look at these juicy, and my hair feels so moisturized too. Like, no. This is the one. This is my new gel. Okay, I can't speak too soon because really the most important part is when it dries. But I already know this is the one. Okay. I don't really want to diffuse it. I'll just go over it a bit with the blow dryer just to, get it a little bit dry to see. I avoid diffusing my hair when I can, and plus it's not really cold outside anymore, so I like to air dry as much as possible. Okay, again, I'm trying to stay away from diffusing and heat and stuff, so I just went over it a little bit to give it a head start dry. I think that when it's dry, it is going to look absolutely beautiful. Just from that little blow dry session, I can kind of feel that it will have a little bit of a gel cast, which is totally fine with me. If you haven't tried it, I think you should try it. I know it's been out for a while, but again, I could not get my hands on this. I hope they come out with more. I'm going to try my best to get my hands on that base gel. It feels really nice. It has a nice, clean, fresh smell. So thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Okay, so I just wanted to put in a little clip quickly of my hair. The gel. Okay, so this is like the 4th day. And look at my hair. It's bigger. It is still defined. I think Saturday I just sprayed some more water in it, and then I just went over sections with the gel to touch it up. My hair is nice and fluffy. I have no flaking. Sorry, the camera's a little crazy because I'm holding it and it's really heavy. But yeah, so I would recommend this gel. Okay.